Good morning, aloha. Welcome to this Hawaii day in the life vlog.
Weary to my bones, I guess that's my reason. I've packed my bags and now I'm gone. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea, that's where you find me. Tender red, flat out on a beach bed. That's where you find me. Working on my fishing skills in a little boat that I rent. Ain't got nothing but time to kill. No vacation's been more heaven sent. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea, that's where you find me. Tender red, flat out on a beach bed. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea, yeah. My feet in the sand, green umbrella drink in my hand. That's where you find me.
And I'd like to thank Shokz for sponsoring today's video. I love wearing these headphones when I'm cleaning around the house so that I can listen to music and listen to my podcast, or when I go outside for walks. Occasionally I've been jogging too, and it's just great to get outside and be able to call all my friends back home in Ohio and call family back home in Ohio. The call quality on these are amazing because there's 4 different microphones. So my family always says they can hear me great even though I'm outside with a lot of noise going on and cars driving by and the birds chirping and all of that. And also the sound quality is just great for listening to music. It feels like no matter where I'm at, I'm getting the best quality sound possible in these, and I just love how comfortable they are. Like, I love that they have the actual band. It's like a comfort band that goes over your ear instead of having to stick them in like other wireless headphones I've used in the past. Would really hurt my ears, especially if I was wearing them for hours every single day while I'm cleaning and getting stuff done and listening to music. And I love just how comfortable that these are. And they're so cute. They come in a bunch of different colors. I have the white ones. The pink ones are adorable too. They also come in a black color. And also the battery life on these are amazing. With one charge in the case, you get 28 hours of playback. And I know I often forget to charge them. I don't know, you know, busy mom life. And if I put them in the case for just 10 minutes, I get 2 hours worth of listening time. Hi, I love you too. But I will have the link to Shokz down in my description box below so that you can check them out. Just made my breakfast, some Greek yogurt with protein granola. And just dropped off the big kids at a summer fun camp that they go to on the days when we don't have a ton of plans or things going on. It's kind of like a drop-in camp through the Honolulu Parks and Recreation. So they really like doing that because they get to be with kids their own age, and they always have like fun activities for them every single day. But I think Hayden and I are gonna go get some exercise, aka he sits in the stroller while I walk. And then I think we might either go to the beach depending on the weather. It was like a little rainy this morning, so if it looks like the rain's staying away, we'll probably go to the beach for a little bit.
Standing underneath the lights,
Walk time.
look into each other's eyes.
One of my favorite little beach houses. I think it's so cute. The white picket fence. It's like a little beach cottage. I always love all the painted mailboxes too. They're so cute.
Yesterday has gone to sleep, so all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say.
Yeah.
And let us fade away. Build a secret place. caught up in a dream.
We missed it here so much. Oh, but being back, it's like, you appreciate it so much more. And it's my new goal. I'm getting a house here again, so we can come back at least once a year. And then maybe I can let some of you come. I know so many of you have said you want to get to Hawaii, so if I get like a nice property here when we're not using it, maybe some of you guys can come. Somebody wanted out of the stroller to walk.
Echoes as we walk.
Which
No
way?
one left but you and me.
That one? I know, it's so
Made up place
cute.
only we
I love
can
it.
see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away.
Pretty.
Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sweaty. I'm gonna go hop in the shower. All right, showered. Hayden's had his lunch. Huh?
Yay.
Hi. This is usually the time of day where I will try to get Hayden down for a nap if I can get him down. But some days he's like in that age where he like fights the nap really hard. So I just try to have it be quiet time. So I have him right now in the bedroom. He's watching a little show. I'm gonna read for a little bit. And in about 30 minutes, we have to go pick up the big kids. So, you good in here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Watching your show?
Yeah.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
And the book I'm reading is called The Paradise Problem. It's definitely far-fetched, like the situation in it, without giving much away at all. It kind of comes up in the first chapter, is that there was a guy and a girl who got married in college to get more affordable housing, and she thought they were divorced and they're not, so she gets asked to go to this wedding with him and pretend that they are actually married. So that's a little far-fetched, but it's entertaining for sure, and there's a lot of tension between the two of them that, yeah, it's a juicy beach read for sure.
Be free with me. Be free.
You gotta go pick up Landon Presley, huh?
Okay.
Let's go. I'll follow you to the car. Go on. This is our rental car for while we're here. Betty Bronco, huh? Was obviously a nod to this. Here's my little car snack. I made some wheat thins, some of the hot glazed cashews, and pepper jack cheese to go. Stopped in our favorite store because our babysitter just graduated from high school. So we're gonna see if we can find her like a cute graduation present. It reminds me of our old house. Like our old house when we lived the island dream. Here's Hayden with the snow cap. Ready? Here, I'll hold it. You take a bite.
Mom, can you ask if I can get snow cap?
What'd you get?
Lychee, sour, and blueberry.
How's your shave ice?
Awesome.
With me, yeah. Be free, be free, be free with me.
Back home and have to get ready for dinner with my 2 girlfriends here. Alrighty. Alright, I just left the house. I love Katie. She was our old babysitter, like when we lived here. And she started babysitting Hay, I think when he was like 8 weeks old. And it's just crazy. Like, she just graduated from high school now. I'm like so proud of her. But it's nice because it's been over a week, and even though the older 2 kids, they've gone to like the drop-in camp 2 days, so it was like just me and Hay. This is my like first break that I've had since flying out here solo with them and getting the whole house set up and all that kind of stuff. So I am very, very excited for not only some girl talk, adult interaction, but just a few hours of a break. So I'm excited.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart.
Okay, just got home, changing my pajamas. That dinner was so much fun. They are the sweetest. Oh my gosh, like my heart is so full right now. And I have to thank Tiana because she remembered how when we were leaving, how all my Christmas decorations and Christmas ornaments didn't make it back to Ohio. Look what she got for us. She literally picked up like Hawaii Christmas ornaments for us. Like, sweetest thing in the whole wide world. Like, I'm so touched. Like, thank you so much. And just thank you guys so much for watching today's video and supporting our channel, and I can't wait to share more of our Hawaii adventures with you on here. So until the next time, aloha.
We're dreamers.